Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Webflow CMS for landing pages that convert. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project where you want to enable the CMS for landing pages. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on CMS Collections. Click on the New Collection button to create a new collection. Name your collection according to the type of landing page content it will hold. Define the fields for your collection, such as title, description, and image. Consider adding additional fields like testimonials or call to action buttons. Click Create Collection to save your new CMS collection. Now, return to the main project dashboard. Go to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Create a new static page for your landing page. Once the page is created, click on the Add Dynamic Content option. Choose your newly created CMS collection to connect it to this landing page. Customize the layout of your landing page using Webflow's design tools. Add elements like headings, text blocks, and images to match your brand. Link dynamic fields from your CMS collection to the corresponding elements on your page. Preview the landing page to ensure everything displays correctly. Make sure to adjust the styling for responsiveness on various devices. Next, set up SEO for your landing page in the page settings. Fill in the SEO title and meta description to enhance search visibility. Save your changes and publish the project to make the landing page live. Conduct A/B testing with different versions of your landing page for optimization. Monitor the results through Webflow's analytics or integrate external tools. Continue to adjust your CMS and content based on performance to improve conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.